One of the new features of AutoCAD Civil 3D 2017 is the ability to create a siteless feature line. Consider a siteless feature line using the building pad polygon. Since the feature line has an elevation based on the building pad, elevations don't need to be assigned, and the elevation of 1232 has already been assigned to that building pad. Add another feature line, again without the site, and assign a style. This feature line will be atop a bank or some kind of daylighting feature that should not necessarily be connected to the building. In this case, the building feature line can be picked and it won't affect the elevations of that building. It can be an independent feature line without having a dynamic connection. Check the elevations of this new siteless feature line. The elevation varies based on our slope from point A to point B. Check back to the building feature line, and the elevations have not changed. Even though they're both siteless, they don't interact with each other. Add a grading object to the daylighting feature line with a standard procedure to pick the grading creation tools, and create a grading group under Site 1. Call the grading group Daylight, and it will create the surface. You can now assign the surface for daylighting, check the criteria, and assign the siteless feature line to the grading group. The feature line is no longer available to this particular site grading group. In order to actually make a grading object from this, the siteless feature line will need to be moved to the grading group site. Once it's in the site, you can check for OK in the feature lines list, then use it in your grading group. If you want to create a grading group from siteless feature lines, you just have to move it to a specific site first. That procedure completes our grading object for this site.